Drone cameras come in various types based on their features, capabilities, and usage. Here are the main types of drone cameras and an overview of their settings. 1. Consumer drones. These are drones designed for casual users. Often used for photography, videography, or recreational flying. Examples: DJI Mini-Series, Parrot Anafi. Settings: resolution 1080p to 4K for video, 12 to 20MP for photos. ISO adjustable from 1003200. Shutter speed typically ranges from 1/8000 SEC to 8 seconds. Frame rates 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, varies by model. Gimbal 2-axis or 3-axis stabilization for smooth footage. Professional drones. These drones are equipped with high-end cameras and are designed for filmmakers, surveyors, or industry professionals. Examples: DJI Inspire, Yuneec Typhoon H+. Resolution up to 6K or 8K for video, 20 to 48MP for photos. ISO 1006400 or higher, depending on the camera. Shutter speed 1/8000 SEC to long exposure.
Framerates 24 Frames pro Sekunde, 30 Frames pro Sekunde, 60 Frames pro Sekunde, and even 120 Frames pro Sekunde for Slow-Motion.
Color profiles, D-Log or RAW FO. 3. FPV, first-person view drones. FPV drones are designed for racing or freestyle flying, offering a first-person perspective through goggles. Examples: DJI FPV, Beta FPV.